So I met with Andrew, Ron, and Craig yesterday, and we discussed how we can create something in the learning management system that all teachers would have access to, and would create a basically what it was resources for projects that teachers can use. So this is not about how to do project-based learning, but it is projects that have already been done at KIH and that we can put into the system. What we came up with was the idea of creating a course called Project-Based Learning Resources. Preferably, we put this course on the open access system. Right now, it's inside the closed system, but what it would look like is the idea would be to create a course, and we would have units called Science, Social Studies, Math, and English. Inside each of those, we could drop different projects in. So we put in one right now just for an example called Oceans Ecosystems. We would do the same for Social Studies, Math, and ELA. What it would look like from the teacher side that's going through it would be similar to this, slightly different in the open source, but a teacher would come in, they could click to the science unit. In the science unit, they would see all the different projects. In this case, there's just one project called Ocean Ecosystems, and it shows which standards it's covering. When the teacher opens that up, they would get a video here. This is a filler video for right now. This video would be the teacher who designed the project, giving a description of what the project is and tips to being successful. So maybe a 3-minute video by Mike Cackley or Nate Lango, Lane Shala discussing the project and what the teacher would want to do to make it successful. Then as the teacher comes down, they would see all the additional resources. Every project in here would come with an entry doc, would come with resources that the teacher used in the project, and then we would also add in our course developed lessons that are designed to give information or to give the support of the standards being covered. So that would be a whole area or a whole project in one lesson, and then the teacher could take this information and compile their project to deliver to their course.